Minexa removes the need for scraping libraries, proxies, and headless browsers by handling everything automatically behind the scenes, making it simple to scrape company registry data. Browse to the page you want to extract. Minexa works across any public URL, from simple directories to complex platforms with changing layouts. Open the Minexa extension. Go from a live web page to structured data without writing anything or setting up tools. Hit the button so Minexa understands how the page is structured and how additional results are revealed as you navigate. Every page will be scraped. Minexa detected the navigation pattern and applies it automatically on every run. Decide between scraping results only or clicking into every row for more. Click Continue for ready pages. Switch to advanced mode when data loads, only after a user interaction. The highlighted block is the section Minexa identified. Confirming it ensures every future extraction stays within the right part of the page and ignores everything else. Training is done. Minexa found and named every data point on the page, including hidden attributes and image links. Select the ones you need, or click directly on the page to pick the data you want. Click API Request to get Python code. You can switch between quick field extraction and full page content scraping, depending on what you need. Same result every time. Click Complete Configuration, and your scraper will return consistent data on every run. All pages are locked in. Your scraper collects the full dataset automatically, from the first to the last page. Your job is one click away. If you want results in Google Sheets automatically, connect it here before confirming. Run it. Output is normalized into consistent columns, even when source pages differ slightly in layout. This entire dataset was produced by a scraper that is now saved to your account. You can run it again right now through the extension or API without any retraining, across as many URLs as you need. Typical data points include company name, registration number, market segment, and listing status, ensuring you get all details from stock market company listings quickly and reliably. Export the dataset. Every future run produces an updated snapshot with the same structure and column names. Get started with Minexa and build a scraper once that runs reliably across millions of pages with consistent, predictable outputs.